welcome back to Trend Secrets, your ultimate destination for all things interior design and home decor. Whether you're an experienced decorator or just dipping your toes into the world of design, you're at best place. Today's video is all about great garden ideas to transform your outdoor spaces. Whether you want to improve your backyard, make your front yard stand out, create a wood log garden, or add stylish fences, we have plenty of tips and inspiration for you. Let's start with backyard gardens. A well-designed backyard can become your own private oasis. You can add a mix of plants, flowers, and shrubs to bring color and texture. Create cozy seating areas with comfortable outdoor furniture. Adding a small pond or fountain can make the space more peaceful. Raised garden beds and vertical gardens are great for growing herbs and vegetables and make good use of space. Next, we'll look at front yard gardens. These gardens are perfect for making a good first impression. Choose a focal point, like a beautiful tree or a colorful flower bed, to catch the eye. Use a mix of evergreen and seasonal plants for year-round beauty. Pathways lined with flowers or stones can lead guests to your front door and add charm. Also, consider adding garden lights to highlight key features and create a warm glow in the evening. Now, let's talk about wood log garden. This unique idea uses natural wood logs to create interesting garden elements. You can use logs to make garden borders, stepping stones, or even planters for your flowers and herbs. Wood logs add a natural and earthy feel to your garden and can recycle fallen trees or branches from your property. They blend well with the landscape and enhance your garden's look. Finally, let's discuss fences in the garden. Fences are practical for defining boundaries and providing privacy, but they can also be a key design element. Wooden fences offer a classic look, while wrought iron or vinyl fences give a modern touch. You can get creative with your fences by adding climbing plants or hanging planters. Decorative fence panels or lattice can add an artistic touch while still being functional. Whether you want a full garden makeover or just some fresh ideas, these tips will help you create beautiful and inviting outdoor spaces. Don't forget to subscribe to Trend Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, my family.